Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees C, 400 degrees F, and set the rack center so heat is even. While it heats, pat the fillet dry and score the skin to prevent curling. This helps heat transfer. Season deliberately. About 1 teaspoon salt per 500 g, pepper, and a tablespoon of oil rubbed into the flesh. It forms a thin barrier, locking moisture. Once seasoned, lay the salmon skin side down on a lined tray so the skin crisps without sticking. You now focus on timing and temperature because that controls texture. Slide the tray into the hot oven and bake uncovered. Plan roughly 10-12 minutes for every 2. 5 cm of thickness, thinner pieces need less time. Once done, probe the thickest part. Aim for 50-52 degrees C if you want moist, medium rare, or 55 degrees C for a firmer finish. If you want crisp skin, switch to broil for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure to watch it, because broiling goes from perfect to burnt fast. You finish by removing the salmon and letting it rest for 3-5 minutes so carryover heat evens the interior. This makes slicing cleaner and prevents moisture loss. After resting, finish with a squeeze of lemon, fresh herbs, or a light glaze and slice across the grain for ideal flakes. If your salmon turns out dry, troubleshoot simply. Lower oven temp by 10-20 degrees C or shorten bake time. Alternatively, add a tablespoon of oil or butter per portion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.